If your arms and your legs are darker than every other part of your body, I have brought the solution. And quickly, I'm going to tell you the causes of all these things. Number one most common cause of this kind of hyperpigmentation is exposure to the sun. Our arms and our legs tend to be exposed to the sun than other part of our body. So exposure to the sun makes this part of our body, it makes them tend to be darker than every other part of our body. And number two is bleaching. For those that are bleaching their skin, things like this tends to happen because the skin on your legs is kind of thicker. If you touch your feet now, skin there is thicker than every other part of our body. So the bleaching cream that you are using may not work if like effectively on that part, because one, it is exposed to the sun, and the skin there, it is thicker than every other part of our body. So quickly, what can you do? For those that are using bleaching cream, the first thing you need to do is stop. If you want your skin to be even, like you want to have even toned skin from your head to your toe, bleaching does not, it cannot do it. Like, no, it cannot. So first you need to stop that bleaching cream that you're using. There are ways to lighten up your skin naturally without you causing harm to your skin, right? So if you're not bleaching your skin but yet you have this hyperpigmentation on your skin, first you want to make vitamin C supplement your friend. Like, you need to be on vitamin C supplement regularly, you need to be taking it regularly. And you can also introduce products that has vitamin C into your skincare routine. It helps with hyperpigmentation a lot. It helps a lot. Vitamin C contains properties that helps to lighten up your skin naturally without you bleaching your skin. What is exfoliation? You want to exfoliate your skin regularly. You need to exfoliate your skin at least twice in a week, like max, not at least. Twice in a week is okay. Do not over exfoliate, please. You need to exfoliate your skin twice in a week. So this helps to get rid of dead cells and helps it helps with deeper penetration of all your skincare products that you are using, right? If you don't know the scrubs that you can use, I've made a video and I'm going to post it up here. You can just click the link up here to different type of scrubs, beautiful scrubs that you can use to exfoliate your skin without breaking a bank. So number one, make vitamin C your friend. Number two, exfoliate regularly. And number three, which is the most important thing, you need to choose a product that does not bleach your skin. Like, we all know our strength, except if we are deceiving ourselves. Melanin production in everybody is different. Everybody has melanin in their skin, but the melanin production, the rate of the melanin is different in everybody, right? So know your limits. Be confident in your skin. Regardless of your skin color, you are beautiful. You need to choose a product that will maintain your skin, that will maintain your glow. And number four, you need to moisturize regularly. Use a product that moisturizes your skin. This cannot be overemphasized because I've been trying something on my skin for the past 2 months now. I've been using this particular water for my face, this cleanser for my face. Let me just show it here. I know it is very common and I'm not sure like most people use. I use this water, this charm water on my face regularly. Like, I just apply it on my pan, I just pat and dry like that. Man, it has been doing wonders on my skin. Like, I love my skin. Can you see how bright my face is? This is what I've been using. Then after this dries up, then I just go in with my face cream. You need to be moisturizing your skin regularly. This part that you are experiencing this hyperpigmentation, you need to moisturize them regularly. Don't have your bath and go like that, or you just use one product that you need to moisturize regularly. And lastly, if you want a even tone skin, you need a product that will even out your skin, not the product that you are dark, not the product that will now make you want to turn white. Just like I said, there are ways to lighten up your skin naturally without you bleaching your skin. So just choose a product that will improve the appearance of your skin, moisturizes your skin and gives you even toned skin. So for a while now, since I started using this charm water, I've been using this body oil, and this body oil is just, it's just wow. This is Naomi Secret body oil. This is Naomi Secret clean body oil. This body oil, it has been doing wonders. Look at my elbow, look at my arm, like everything is well toned, like it's even from my head to my toe, everything is even. So you can, if you would like to get this clean body oil, this Naomi Secret clean body oil, it is super affordable and it works wonders. It is okay if you are dark, if you are fair, if you are, I don't want to know your skin color or your skin type. You have oily skin, you have dry skin, especially for those that have dry skin, and it's easily absorbed into the skin. Your skin will easily absorb this oil. It is super good. Let me try it and see what I'm talking about. See that? See how run it is. Like that. But so for those that are going to ask me when is the best time to use this body oil, you can use it whenever. You can use it in the morning, you can use it when you are going to the bed. It's not heavy on the skin, so it's not going to cause it. So you can use it whenever you like. Just make sure you get this oil. It is super good. Like, this is what I've been using for about 2 months now, and it is bliss for me. So I'm Naomi Secret. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I hope with this video I've been able to help someone out there. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and do not forget to drop a comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.